These super easy vegan tostadas are one of my go-to weeknight dinners. You can prep them in the time that it takes to preheat the oven, and it's such a great use what you have recipe. I'm using bagged shredded cabbage and sliced onions on my tostadas, but you can really use any veggies you want or omit the veggies entirely for a plain bean and cheese tostada. However you make it, I think this recipe is going to be one of your faves too. If you like this recipe, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Arrange your tortillas on a lined baking sheet and then spread on your refried beans. Make sure you use vegetarian or fat-free refried beans because the conventional ones often contain lard. Now sprinkle on your veggies of choice. As you can see, I'm using tricolor coleslaw. Then sprinkle on your favorite vegan cheese. And then I like to put the onions on the very top so they get a little bit browned and sweet in the oven. Once they're done baking, add whatever toppings you like tomatoes, vegan sour cream, fresh herbs, and hot sauce. These are just absolutely delicious. With those warm refried beans and melty cheese and tender veggies, I cannot wait for you to try them. You can eat these with a knife and fork, but I like folding them in half like a taco. Just listen to that crunch. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these super easy vegan tostadas. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!